business management skills and life skills in under 60 seconds. Every now and then I get it under 60 seconds. Look, here's something that's near and dear to my heart. I don't like wasting time. I am so scared of wasting my life. I don't want to be 80, 85, 90 years old looking back thinking, man, I wish I'd done. So here's the thing. I spend my days helping other people. I coach a lot of small businesses. And in that coaching, what I always try to emphasize is that tomorrow or the year 2023 is made up from what we do today. Don't worry about the day after tomorrow. Don't worry about tomorrow. Let's worry about today. If you don't want to waste 2023, look, it's February as I film this. It is just about the middle of February as I film this. If you don't want to waste 2023, then you better make every second of today count. And then do it again tomorrow. And here's the automotive repair shop example that I always give, the schedule. What do we do? When we schedule customers, we use this awesome computer here to schedule customers. What do we do? Oh man, we're awful busy. How's next Tuesday? So we could have scheduled 10 customers today. We only scheduled 8, and 2 got away. We'll never get those 2 back, ever. Focus on today. Do everything you can today, and tomorrow is going to unfold. Figure out what you want your tomorrow to look like, but make sure you do everything possible today to make that tomorrow unfold.